Hello and welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to add a GIF in Klaviyo emails. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. First, click on the Campaigns tab in your Klaviyo dashboard. From here, you have the option to either edit an existing campaign or create a new one. For this tutorial, we'll walk through creating a new campaign. Click on Create Campaign, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of campaign. Select SMS, email, or push notification depending on your preference, and then click Continue. Next, you'll need to choose your audience. Select the list of subscribers you'd like to send the campaign to, and then click Next to proceed. Once you're in the campaign editor, you have two options. You can either use one of your saved templates or choose a new template from the template library. For this example, I chose a template from the library. Now, you're inside the drag and drop editor, where you can easily customize the design of your email. To add a GIF, go to the Blocks section on the left-hand side. From there, drag and drop an image block into your email design. When you do this, a side panel will open up on the right side of your screen. Here, click on the Select Image button, which will bring up a pop-up window. In this pop-up, you'll see the option to upload your own image. Click on the Upload Image button. Now, locate the GIF file on your computer, select it, and click Open to upload it into the email editor. Once the GIF is uploaded, it will appear in the image block you've added to your design. And that's it. You've successfully added a GIF to your Klaviyo email. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.